Lamborghini Huracán commands attention the moment you see it. Its front three-quarter view shows off that low, predatory stance with razor-sharp LED Y-shaped headlights, massive hexagonal intakes, and a sculpted hood that looks like it was carved by wind itself. The chrome rustic light white paint gleams under the daylight showroom lights, every curve and edge reflecting like a piece of art. It's a car that looks fast even when standing still, radiating pure aggression and luxury. From the side, the Huracán is pure drama on wheels. The coupe profile is sleek and aerodynamic. The doors flow into those massive side intakes feeding the hungry V10. The forged alloys with bright yellow calipers fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the car a stance that feels glued to the ground. The chrome rustic light white bodywork stretches like liquid metal, capturing the reflections of the polished showroom floor. It's not just a car, it's sculpture in motion. Swinging around to the rear, the Huracán becomes even more menacing. The connected Y-shaped taillights glow like laser beams, framing the aggressive mesh grille and quad exhaust tips that look ready to spit fire. The diffuser is carved for maximum downforce, and the wide rear tires give it a planted, muscular look. In the bright showroom, the car casts a perfect mirror image on the floor, making this rear three-quarter view look absolutely cinematic. Slide into the driver's seat and you immediately feel like you're in a fighter jet. The flat-bottom steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands, with the Lamborghini badge gleaming at the center. The digital instrument cluster comes alive with razor-sharp graphics, and through the wide windshield you catch a glimpse of the sculpted hood ahead. The cockpit is tight, focused, and wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber, every detail screaming performance. Your eyes are drawn to the center console, a work of art on its own. The iconic red flip switch protecting the start button invites you to fire up the V10. The drive mode selector, the toggles, and every button have a satisfying mechanical feel, all finished in gloss black and carbon fiber. The light from the showroom dances on the glossy surfaces, showing just how much craftsmanship has gone into this interior. From the passenger side, the cabin feels like a minimalist luxury lounge. The bucket seats hug you tightly, stitched in precision patterns, while the Alcantara and leather mix feels expensive and purposeful. The dashboard angles toward the driver, making it clear this car is all about performance, but there's still an undeniable sense of style and drama that only Lamborghini can deliver. Pop the rear engine cover and you're face to face with the beating heart of the Huracán, a naturally aspirated V10 masterpiece. The carbon fiber strut bars frame the engine like jewelry, the polished intake manifold catching every beam of showroom light. It's perfectly organized, every wire and pipe arranged with precision, turning the engine bay into a display of Italian engineering brilliance. Zooming in closer, the engine components reveal even more detail. The metallic bolts gleam, the belts and pulleys are perfectly machined, and the Lamborghini branding is proudly engraved on the engine cover. It feels alive, even at rest, a promise of the high-pitched symphony waiting to erupt when the start button is pressed. A close-up of the front wheel shows off the forged alloy design in incredible detail. Behind it, the ventilated carbon ceramic discs and yellow calipers look ready for the track. The Pirelli P0 tires have an aggressive tread pattern, and the polished chrome rustic white fender curves beautifully around them, reflecting the showroom lights like a mirror. The rear wheel tells its own story. Wide, muscular, and built for grip. You can see the suspension components peeking through along with the diffuser fins just behind the tire. The polished floor reflects every spoke of the rim, making it look like the car is floating on its own reflection. This is performance you can see and feel. Take a closer look at the headlight design and it's a masterpiece of engineering. The Y-shaped LED cluster is sculpted with surgical precision, the glass lens perfectly clear, and the chrome accents reflecting every bit of light in the room. It's as much a piece of jewelry as it is a functional part of the car.